Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Suji ka halwa. Suji ka halwa is very healthy and tasty Indian dessert. It's very beneficial to have this if you or your child has cold and cough like mine has these days. I'm making this specially for my son so that he gets some relief from cold and cough. So let's get started. To make this yummy Suji ka halwa, we need 1/4 cup of fine semolina, which is Suji, and 1/4 cup of wheat flour. I have put both in the same bowl. 1/6 cup of chopped dry fruits of your choice. I have taken here almond, cashews and raisins. In the same bowl, I have put 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom seeds as well. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. You can increase and decrease the quantity according to your taste. 1/4 cup of desi ghee, which is clarified butter, and 2 cups of water. Put the gas on medium to low. Take a deep vessel and add ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can simply use the unsalted butter instead. Once you melt the ghee, add Suji and wheat flour mix. And mix it well. Keep it on the low flame and roast the Suji until it gets light golden brown color. Don't turn your flame high at any given point of time because it will change its color quickly but will remain raw. You can easily find out if your Suji is ready because of its aroma and color. We are roasting the Suji so that there will not be any raw flavor, and also it helps Suji not to become pasty and will puffed up perfectly. So it will give nice bites and taste at the end. Now you can see the Suji is slightly turning the color, but we will wait for another 2 minutes for desired color. After 2-3 minutes you can smell the aroma of cooked semolina. Now we don't want to cook it longer, otherwise it's gonna burn its taste. At this point, very slowly add water. Be careful, you don't want to burn your hands from the coming steam. If you want, you can use milk instead of water to make it more healthy. When you add water into this, few lumps may form, so make sure you stir it continuously so that there are no lumps left. You can make this halwa on any special occasion or can make this in a prasad. It's been 2 minutes, I broke all the lumps. Now just wait for a little bit more to get it thicker. As you can see now, it's thicker than earlier. At this point, we're going to put our cardamom and dry fruit mix. If you are making this for your baby and he still can't eat this much bigger chunks of dry fruits, you can simply avoid it or add powdered dry fruits. Or if your baby is allergic to nuts, you may leave it totally. My son is 1 year old now and he can eat this much bigger pieces, so I'm adding. Make sure you stir it throughout the dish. Just don't forget to stir it in between, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. This warm buttery halwa not only soothes the throat but also provides that warm feeling for a feverish and aching body. You can see it's becoming thicker but still on the runny side. After 5 minutes or so, it will feel heavier to stir the spatula as the mixture is very thick now. So at this point we will add sugar. Some people call it shira, but shira is a thinner version of halwa. As you can see, now it started to leave the oil in the pan. It means our halwa is ready. Now just transfer the halwa into the bowl and serve warm. Do try this recipe and let me know if you like it. For baby, I am going to mix little bit of formula milk in the halwa. It's time to feed my poor baby. I hope he will feel better after having this. Thank you for watching my video. Hope to see you all next time. Bye bye.